What if I told you that your journey to financial freedom could start today with just a few clicks? No more guesswork, no complicated strategies. In this video, we're diving into the best ETFs to build long-term wealth. If you're serious about growing your money and securing your future, keep watching because this could change everything. Hello and welcome. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this video is packed with actionable advice to help you grow your wealth for the long term. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are some of the best tools available for building a strong investment portfolio. They're simple, diversified, and cost-effective. Today, we'll explain why ETFs are a powerful investment tool, break down the key factors to consider when choosing ETFs, share the top ETFs for building long-term wealth, step by step. So grab a notebook, sit back, and let's get started. What are ETFs? ETFs are baskets of securities like stocks or bonds that trade on an exchange. Just like individual stocks, they offer the benefits of diversification and simplicity. Why choose ETFs? Diversification. One ETF can give you exposure to hundreds or even thousands of assets. Low fees. ETFs typically have lower fees compared to mutual funds, leaving more money to grow in your account. Liquidity. You can buy or sell ETFs anytime the market is open. Flexibility. There are ETFs for almost every investment goal: stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, and more. How ETFs build wealth over time by holding a diversified basket of investments. ETFs reduce your risk while taking advantage of long-term market growth. The power of compounding, earning returns on both your initial investment and the returns you've already made, works best over decades. How to choose the right ETFs. Step 1. Define your goals. Are you saving for retirement, a home, or financial independence? Your goals will guide your ETF selection. Step 2. Understand the types of ETFs. Broad market ETFs. These track large indexes like the S&P 500. Sector ETFs focus on specific industries like technology or healthcare. Bond ETFs provide steady income with less risk. International ETFs offer exposure to global markets. Thematic ETFs focus on trends like renewable energy or AI. Step 3. Like the key metrics. Expense ratio. Lower is better. This is the annual fee you'll pay. Performance history. While past performance doesn't guarantee future results, it can provide insights. Holdings. Understand what's inside the ETF. Liquidity. Ensure the ETF is easy to buy and sell. The best ETFs for long-term wealth. Here's our carefully curated list of top ETFs. These are designed to suit different goals and risk levels. Let's dive in. Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF VTI. Why it's great. Provides exposure to the entire U.S. stock market. Expense ratio 0.03%. Ideal for investors seeking broad U.S. market growth. SPDR S&P 500 ETF SPY. Why it's great. Tracks the S&P 500, giving exposure to 500 of the largest U.S. companies. Expense ratio 0.09%. Ideal for those looking for a core holding in large-cap U.S. stocks. iShares MSCI Emerging Markets ETF EM. Why it's great. Focuses on emerging markets like China, India, and Brazil. Expense ratio 0.69%. Ideal for investors seeking international diversification. Vanguard FTSE Developed Markets ETF VIA. Why it's great. Covers developed international markets outside the U.S. Expense ratio 0.05%. Ideal for balanced global exposure. iShares Core U.S. Aggregate Bond ETF AG. Why it's great. Provides a mix of government, corporate, and mortgage bonds. Expense ratio 0.04%. Ideal for conservative investors seeking stability. Set it and forget it. Automate your investments. Many platforms allow recurring purchases of ETFs, making it easy to stay consistent. Rebalance regularly. Review your portfolio annually. Adjust your holdings to maintain your desired asset allocation. Stay patient. Wealth building takes time. Focus on the long term and avoid reacting to short-term market fluctuations. Avoid common mistakes. Don't chase trends or performance. Watch out for high FEs or overtrading. Stay diversified to manage risk. ETFs are a powerful way to build long-term wealth. With low FEs, diversification, and ease of use, they're perfect for anyone looking to grow their money steadily over time. The key is to start now, stay consistent, and remain focused on your goals. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let us know in the comments which ETFs you're considering, or if you have questions, we'd love to help.